Eat good, feel good. Thank you for joining me today. We're gonna do a real fast video on how to make a quick date tropical smoothie. So let's get started. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need flax milk, or you can do the pea protein milk, or even the cashew milk. Those are all very good. Almond milk if you choose, but I prefer the cashew milk or flax milk. You're gonna need some dates. You're gonna get some blueberries and blackberries. You're gonna need a banana, a little bit of pineapple if you have some. Also a beautiful, gorgeous papaya if you can get your hands on one. And then you're going to need a few clementines that you can go ahead and peel off. Got some clementines in here. You're going to throw in a little bit of flax milk, get your dates pitted, removed, and then you're going to add your mandarin oranges on top there. We're going to put in a little bit of banana, a little bit of papaya, and we're going to mix it up. So let's do it. A little bit of that. Boom. There it is. Next step is to chop this up so it'll fit inside there. Whoa! Yeah! Let's go ahead and get a section that we can go ahead and put in there. This will do. So now we've got our dates, our flax milk, our mandarin, our papaya, our banana, and our top. So let's go ahead. You're going to continue to blend that until it's into a very nice pulp of your choosing. Okay, so here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a nice, very thick smoothie. Now, if you want this to be a little bit creamier, just add a little bit more of the flax milk in. Bonus tip, if you like mango or pineapple, you can add this to the mix. Just use a little bit less of one of the other ingredients, like the mandarin, for example. And you can add that in, and it'll give you a little bit more of a tropical flavor. Maybe even a little coconut if you're into that. And boom, there we go. We're going to add in a few more berries here on the top. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're going to add in our organic blueberries here. Boom. There it is. We do want it to overflow. That's part of the plan. You get a mouthful of berries when you first go to take a nice sip of that delicious drink. So there it is. Thank you for joining me here today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment down below if you want to see any more future videos like this one. And maybe you've got your own awesome recipe. I'd love to try it. Let me know in the comments down below. Cheers!